Hello everyone, welcome back to Passlite Inside Academy. And please don't forget to like our videos. This is example 4 on bearing and distance. If you have any questions, just drop it on the comment sections, because we have a lot of we have thousands of questions on bearing and distance. But if you have any question that you know that you don't understand on bearing and distance, just drop it on the comment sections and follow us to solve this. Thanks. I have traveled a distance of 24 kilometers. So the bearing matters a lot, 60 degrees. So our bearing is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. From where? From S. To where? To Y. To Y. Now it then traveled to a distance of 18 kilometers. They don't give us the bearing, but they give us this one. This one is 24 kilometers. They just told us that this one traveled 18 kilometers, but we don't know the bearing. It can actually go this way, it can go this way, it can go this way. So we don't know. But let's just draw anyone, then we'll solve. So we draw it down this way. And the distance was 18 kilometers. It's not up to this 24. So you know how to draw it. So if here is 24, draw here as 18. So this is 18 kilometers. We don't know the bearing. So let's come here to a point Z. So this is Z. And the distance from Z to Y is 30 kilometers. So we're having that here. Join it together. So draw it neat. So join that together. So the distance there is 30. So here is 30 kilometers. So when you join this together, that way. So that's what we are having. So we are done. So let's see. Draw the diagram to show. I thought it can go this way if you wish. Going this way. If here is 18, this place is 18. It can go this way like this. It can also go that way. So let's see. Just leave it that way. So we've drawn a diagram showing that what is the bearing of Z from Y. So the bearing of Z from Y, this is the line that connects Z and Y together. So we need this from this angle down to this point. So that is what we need. So the first thing we need to do is that if here is 60 degrees, the point here is 60 degrees. Alternate angle are equal. So draw that. So these alternate angle are equal. But the next thing we can do is that let's get what will be here. We don't know. So let me get this total first. The angle here. What will be here? We don't know. This place Y, this small letter Y. This S, this small letter S, this Z, this small letter Z. So let's see. We are given all the side. All the side is given. So let's use our cosine rule. And the cosine rule said Y squared is that also Z squared plus S squared minus 2ZS, if you do it this way, cos anything you write here, that is cos Y. Cos Y. So let's see. What is your Y square on the board? 30 squared. Your Z square on the board? 24 squared. Your S square on the board? 18 squared. Minus 2 open bracket 24 open bracket 18 cos. We don't know the Y, the total of the Y. I only know parts. I don't know the total. So cos Y. I don't know. So let's see. 30 squared 900. So let's get the others together. Okay. So 30 squared 900, 24 squared 576, 18 squared 324, 2 times 24 times 18 864 cos Y. So this plus this is 900 minus 864 cos Y. So let's collect like times. Can bring this inside. 864 cos Y is equal. What is there? 900. Then this 900 is going outside minus 900. So we're having 864 cos Y is equals to 900 minus 900, that is 0. So when you divide both sides by 864, 864, 864, this cancel this, your cos Y is equals to 0. So we are looking for the Y. Y is equals to cos inverse of 0. But if cos is going to turn to cos inverse, so Y is equals cos inverse of 0 is 90 degrees. So what is the question is, what is the bearing of Z from Y? So we are still looking for the bearing from all these points here. So here is Y is 90 degree. The total here, all this place is 90 degree. So that is what we have here. So if here is 90, the remaining side is 30 degree. We already have 60 before. So 60 plus 30, that is 90. So anytime you're having 90, so this is the hypotenuse. Or if you have a right angle this way, and there's one point that is 90. So the longest side is the longest side, which is hypotenuse. So likewise here, to this is the hypotenuse. So you can get this angle this way. When you have this as 90, so you can make, if you are looking for this is your opposite. If you are looking for this, depending on the angle you are looking for. If I'm looking for this first, this is my opposite. So if I'm looking for this now, this is my opposite. So let me look for this. So this is opposite line, and this is hypotenuse. And opposite and hypotenuse is sine under SOHCAHTOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine theta is equals opposite over hypotenuse. So I'm looking for this angle here, angle Z. So sine Z. What is opposite on the board? Opposite here is 24. Then hypotenuse, what is that? Hypotenuse is the longest side, over 30. So sine Z. So we can use a CCF4, CCF5. So that is 0.8. So it's 0.8. So let me get Z. Z is called sine inverse of 0.8. Let's calculate. That is 53.13 degree. So that means this place is 53.13. And the question asks us to get what is the bearing of Z from Y. This is Y. The line that connects them, this is the line that connects both of them. That is the line. So from here to this place 90, to this place 180, to this place 270. And I'm going to add this to it. So, or just get, since you are getting all this place, what is here? We don't know. We don't know what is here. Like I actually get that. So let me get this place so that I can get my bearing to this point. So let's see what is here. If here is 30 degree, this place here is what? If here is 30, this place is 60. Is that not so? So let's draw our Z. This is Z. Z. Like that. So your Z, if here is 30, this place is 30 degree. So the first question is, what is the bearing of Z from Y? So if you want to answer the questions now, the Z, that is Z from Y. Here is 30. And you are going from the beginning. This is where you should stop. So that means you just tell us that 360 minus 30 degree. So that is 330 degree. That is the easiest. From the beginning, all of them is 360. Then remove this 30. You already know this place is 30. Just remove it. So from the beginning to this place is 330. So this is the answer. Then B. Calculate the bearing of S from Z. So let's go there. S from Z. S from Z. Where is the point? So this is S and this is Z. The line that connects both of them, this is the line. So, and we're having this. So the line starts from this angle this way to this point to this, and the line stop here. This is the line. So what are you going to do is that B. Calculate the bearing of S from Z. S from Z. So that is what you're having. So let's see that together. The total is 360 minus what? You are stopping here. What do you see there? 53.13. 53.13 plus, what do you say at the other side? 30 plus 30. So when you remove these two, from here to here is 53.13, from here to here is 30. When you remove these two, you're having what here? So 360 minus this. So this plus this, 83.13. So when you remove this, you're having 276. What do you have here? 87 kilometers. So that is the answer here. And please, if you have any questions on bearing and distance, or you have any challenges question, just drop it on the comment section. And please try to like our videos, share our videos, and comment. Thanks.